Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making my October meal planner and shopping list. I got a whole month's worth of menu items, and I've got a shopping list for that month. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do a menu planner for the whole month. I make these up. They sit on my computer as a blank calendar, and I print them up the end of December for the entire year, just changing the month at the top. And every month I make a new one, and I make a shopping list to go with it. And I try to shop only once a month, except for picking up the milk and eggs and produce, the perishables. I try to do my entire shopping list for 1 month because I can't stand shopping. So I like to just go in there and get it done and be done with it. So the first thing I did was I put in the days of the month, and then I put in all of the special things. This is our 29th anniversary, my son's 28th birthday, and Halloween. Every Wednesday, my son has band practice. He and my husband go to watch my son play his guitar. And if you've seen any of my videos, you know how good he is. And that's also one night where those two get a chance to bond. So, I usually have pizza on that night. We have the baby on Saturday and Sunday over here, so us going out for our anniversary is not going to happen. We'll have to pick another day. Anyway, I've decided I'm going to have rigatoni and meatballs on that day, and that way I can have meatball sandwiches the next day. We usually have some form of pasta for Sunday dinner. That is our family day when we're all home together, and it means an awful lot to me for us all to be together. So yeah, I try to have some kind of a pasta meal because that is my husband's favorite, and the baby loves it. So I'm just going to put the pasta dinners in. And Mondays I'm going to try and keep as a sandwich day, mainly because I am so exhausted after the baby being here that I really need the day to recoup. So sandwiches are very quick. Monday sandwich day. We're going to have meatball sandwiches, steak and hoagies, soup and grilled cheese, and egg, bacon, and cheese hoagies. This is something my husband absolutely loves, and I make it very rarely. My son's birthday, I'm going to make him his favorite meal, which is chicken, mashed potatoes, and either green beans or California mix. And there are a few recipes I really want to make this month. Now that the weather's starting to get colder, I'm starting to think more along the lines of casseroles and soups and so I'm going to finish filling this in, and we'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I finally got the menu filled out, and for the first of the month I've decided I need comfort food. And that's going to be a great big pot of ground meat soup, which is a soup that my mom used to make, and it really does comfort me and sets off the entire mood for the whole month. I think I'm going to have chicken pot pies here. This is one of my guys' favorites, is hot dog and macaroni and cheese and salad. And anytime you see anything with sandwiches like hot dogs and hamburgers, I take the meat and add it to a salad. Yes, I do like hot dogs in my salads. and what Italian dressing does for it is amazing. So, Saturdays I've decided I'm going to try an entire month of just chicken. I'm going to have the microwave chicken with mashed potatoes, corn, and California mix. Mozzarella chicken. That's, I haven't made this in a long, long time. And I actually found that in a cookbook by Richard Simmons. And it's really amazing. Let's see. Pressure cooker whole chicken. This is super easy to make. It's basically you just stick it in a pressure cooker. And fried chicken with home fries. Yeah, my guys really love this. So, in other words, Fridays I'm going to just have hot dogs, macaroni and cheese and salad, or bacon cheeseburgers and french fries and salad. And I think that this month I'm going to make pierogies. I'll have leftovers for when the baby's here, and he absolutely loves pierogies. And my son and I like them. My husband, but yeah, we like them. And of course there's always going to be leftovers for my husband if he doesn't want this. I have here out to eat. Now I don't know what day we're going to be able to go out to eat to celebrate our anniversary, but I did a lot one day. And whatever day we get a chance to go out, I'll just swap it out. Halloween, I'm going to have a picnic dinner, and it's going to be hamburgers and french fries and coleslaw and corn. Hopefully there'll still be corn on the cob out. If not, I will just have corn. Tuesdays, like I said, the ground meat soup. I'm going to kind of make Tuesdays a day of meals that I haven't made in a while. So I'm going to have the ground meat soup, Swiss steak, which I have not made in at least 10 years. Pork chops and home fries, this is one of my favorites. Shepherd's pie, boy, I haven't made this in at least 10 years. And I'm just going to make chicken with mashed potatoes and California mix for my son's birthday dinner. This is his favorite meal. So, now that I have the menu done, I have to start in on my shopping list. And of course I always need the basics, the milk and chocolate milk and eggs and butter and cheese. I know I need mozzarella cheese, and of course pizza dough. And I'll be back when I'm done with this. Okay, I got my shopping list all done. I need round steak for the Swiss steak, and I need the chicken breasts and a package of whole chicken, bacon and pork chops, and I'm going to need hot dogs. Vegetarian vegetable soup I get for the baby. He is at that age where he's starting to recognize letters, and of course this is the ABC soup. And it is such a ball watching him eat and saying the alphabet. I need diced tomatoes for the Swiss steak, 4 pizza sauces, and tomato sauce, tomato paste, things for my salads, and I need a gravy. I need the canned fruit for my husband's lunches, and the sugar-free fruit I get for the baby and me. I do not like feeding him extra sugar. He can be wound up enough as it is. I don't need to add to it. The veggies are pretty much the normal stuff, corn and California mix, and I do want to get a thing of frozen meatballs because I don't know if I'm going to have time to make my own. And mixed veggies I need for the shepherd's pie and steakums. And I'm running low on Worcestershire sauce. I need some pasta and noodles, and I always get the 5-pack of macaroni and cheese. I'm running a little low on my olive oil and salad dressing, and my husband's crackers for his lunch, and of course the cat food and treats and litter. And there's the milk and chocolate milk and eggs and butter. I also need an unsalted butter for a recipe I've got coming up. And I need the mozzarella cheese and my sugar-free pudding. Yeah, that's one of my weaknesses, and it helps to take care of my sweet tooth. I need 4 pizza dough, sour cream. I need bread, buns, and, well, hot dog buns and hamburger buns. And the junk food. I always need that. Most of this is going to be from the Dollar Tree. And my Excedrin and my once-a-month hair dye. And we're out of mouthwash, or almost. And then my usual veggies and the paper products. And I don't really need much in the cleaning section, which is kind of surprising. I do need cinnamon capsules. As for the vitamins, that's pretty much all I need for that. I think I'm about done. All I have to do is go online and go through the coupons. I don't really have many things here that are couponable, but yeah, as soon as I get that done, I'll be ready to go shopping. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.